Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the tie rod end on Audi A6 C6 4F. The tie rod end on this car is located on the top of the suspension. It's located right there. The tie rod end is held by two bolts that we need to remove. We also need to loosen that nut. First we'll start by loosening that nut for the regulation. Next we're going to remove the top bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Next we're going to remove that side bolt. First we're going to remove the nut and then we're going to hammer out the bolt. That's the bolt out. This is what the bolt looks like. There is only one way of putting the bolt in. Next I'm going to hammer out the tie rod end. That's the tie rod end out. Now I'm going to unscrew the tie rod end from the inner tie rod. Make sure you put exactly the same amount of turns when you put on the new tie rod end. You want to put the tie rod end in the exact position because that way will be easier for regulation of the suspension. That's the tie rod end out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. That's the new tie rod end. First I'm going to put the new nut on and I'm going to put it onto the inner tie rod. Before putting on the new tie rod, make sure it's exactly the same size as the old one. That's the tie rod end screwed onto the inner tie rod. Now I'm going to put it into the steering knuckle. Once I put the tie rod end into the steering knuckle, I need to turn it so that that missing part of the tie rod end is on the side where the bolt is going to go. Here you can see that part that is cut on the tie rod end needs to be in a position where the bolt is going to go. And now I'm going to hammer in the tie rod end and then I'm going to put on the two bolts. First I need to put on the side bolt. I'm going to put on the nut, but I'm not going to tighten it yet. First I'm going to tighten the upper bolt and then I'm going to tighten the side bolt. Now I'm going to put on the top bolt and tighten it. Now I'm going to tighten that side bolt and then I'm done with replacing the tie rod end. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.